Car insurance. It might not be the most exciting topic, but it's undeniably one of the most important ones when you're on the road. In the ever evolving world of 2024, understanding and selecting the best car insurance can feel a tad overwhelming, right? Don't worry, I'm here to help guide you through the maze. First and foremost, remember this: car insurance is not just a piece of paper or another bill to pay. It's peace of mind. Whether you're commuting to work, heading out on a road trip, or just popping to the shops, having the right insurance ensures you, your car, and other drivers are protected. Think of it as your car's safety net, ready to catch any unexpected falls. Now, before driving into choosing the best company, let's ensure we're all on the same page about what car insurance actually is. At its core, it's a contract between you and the insurance company. You agree to pay a premium, and in return, the company agrees to cover potential losses as defined in your policy. These can range from accidents and thefts to damages from natural disasters. Different types of coverages exist, each serving its own purpose. Liability coverage. This covers the cost if you're at fault in an accident and cause damage or injuries to others. Collision coverage takes care of damages to your own car in the event of a collision. Comprehensive coverage. This one covers non-collision related incidents, such as theft or damage from natural disasters. Alright, now that we're all caught up, let's dive into the crux of our discussion. How do you choose the best car insurance companies in 2024? The first thing you need to consider is your own needs. What kind of driver are you? Are you on the road constantly, or is your car often parked at home? Do you own a brand new sports car, or is your vehicle older and used for basic transportation? Your insurance needs will vastly vary based on these factors. Next, always consider the reputation of their insurance company. Do they have a history of fair dealing? Are their customers generally satisfied? With the internet at our fingertips, it's easy to check for reviews and ratings. Ensure you consult multiple sources to get a well-rounded view. Price is, of course, a significant factor for many, but remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best. It's essential to balance cost with the coverage you're getting. Sometimes paying a little extra can save you a lot more in the long run. Having established the basics, let's delve deeper into some nuanced factors you should bear in mind when selecting a car insurance company. In 2024, technology is playing an even more significant role in the world of car insurance. Many companies now offer telematics-based policies. They use technology to monitor your driving habits and base your premiums on how you drive, rather than broad demographic factors. For safe drivers, this can be a godsend, leading to lower premiums. However, with tech comes privacy concerns. Always ensure you understand what data is being collected and how it's used. If you're comfortable with this trade-off, telematics can be a great way to save. Claims handling is another crucial aspect. The last thing you want after an accident is a prolonged bureaucratic nightmare. Research how different companies handle claims. Faster isn't always better, but it's certainly a factor. Accuracy and fairness are just as, if not more, important. Customer service goes hand in hand with claims handling. In the moments of stress, you want someone supportive on the other end of the line. Check out customer satisfaction ratings, but also speak to friends and family about their experiences. Flexibility is becoming a massive selling point. The days of one-size-fits-all policies are dwindling. Look for companies that allow you to customize your coverage. Maybe you don't need comprehensive coverage but want to increase your liability limits. Or perhaps you want to add roadside assistance. A good insurance company should let you tailor your policy to fit your unique needs. Remember that life is dynamic, and so are your insurance needs. Periodically reviewing your policy is essential. As your life changes, say a new job, moving homes, or even changes in your driving habits, your coverage should adapt. Another key aspect is discounts. Many companies offer various discounts for safe driving, bundling multiple policies, or even having safety features in your car. Always ask about available discounts and see how they can benefit you. Lastly, always consider the financial health of the insurance company. After all, a company in a shaky financial situation might not be the best choice. You want to ensure that if the time comes, they can cover your claims. Car insurance is as much about personalization as it is about protection. By understanding your needs and doing your homework, you can find the perfect fit. One crucial factor that's often overlooked is understanding local laws and regulations. Each region, state, or even city might have its own unique requirements when it comes to car insurance. In some places, for instance, a minimum liability coverage is mandatory. This is the least amount of coverage you must have to legally drive. It's pivotal to know these limits to ensure you're not underinsured. Being caught underinsured can result in hefty fines and evil legal implications. On the other hand, some areas might have regulations that can benefit you. For example, a few states have regulations that entitle consumers to certain discounts if they meet specific criteria. This could be related to driver safety courses, anti-theft devices in your vehicle, or other safety measures. It's also worth noting that in some regions, there's a distinction between at-fault and no-fault states. In no-fault states, each driver's insurance covers their own injuries regardless of who caused the accident. This can influence the kind of personal injury protection you might want to opt for. If you're someone who travels a lot or perhaps even moves frequently, understanding these variations becomes even more vital. You want to be compliant, of course, but also take advantage of any benefits your location offers. Lastly, some places might offer state-sponsored car insurance for individuals who might not qualify for traditional policies due to high-risk status. While these aren't always the best in terms of coverage, they provide an essential safety net for many. In conclusion, being informed about your local laws not only ensures you're driving legally but can also lead you to better coverage options and potential savings. It's a crucial step in the process of selecting the best car insurance company for you in 2024. As we venture deeper into the decade, car insurance is not immune to change. Several emerging trends could reshape how we think about and purchase car insurance. Electric and autonomous vehicles are becoming more mainstream. If you own or are considering buying an electric car, ensure your insurance provider understands the unique aspects of insuring such a vehicle. Battery coverage, for instance, can be different than regular engine coverage. Autonomous vehicles or self-driving cars introduce an entirely new set of considerations. Who is at fault in an accident when a computer is driving? As the technology progresses, insurers are adapting to create policies that cater to these new scenarios. If you're a pioneer in adopting autonomous vehicles, you'll want to be ahead of the curve in understanding how they're insured. Moreover, peer-to-peer insurance models are growing in popularity. These models allow groups of people to pool their resources and insure each other. While not for everyone, they can offer a more personalized insurance experience and potentially lower costs. Digital-first insurance providers are another trend to watch out for. These companies operate primarily online and offer a streamlined, tech-driven experience. While they might not have the history of some established players, they often make up for it in a convenience and competitive pricing. Lastly, always keep an eye out for innovations in policy offerings. Some insurers now offer month-to-month policies, giving drivers flexibility in uncertain times. Others might provide micro-insurance covering specific trips or durations. In essence, the future of car insurance is dynamic, reflecting the rapid changes in our technological landscape and societal needs. By staying informed, you can ensure you're not only protected but also availing of the best the industry has to offer.